I'm Chris. I'm in the final year of my PhD. My focus is on ultra-precision machining using ultrafast lasers. So using the technology to be able to do very fine-scale features very quickly by taking a laser and focusing it down onto a very small spot so we can vaporize material without affecting the rest of the substructure of the material. So it was one of the options that was offered to us once we'd completed the MRes program. And it was quite different to what I'd done for my MRes Masters. The MRes Masters was based over at Cranfield, and I was working on their ultra-precision mechanical machining process development. And whereas this was originally meant to be the integration of ultrafast lasers and focused ion beams. However, as the project progressed, and we saw that how the technology could improve, that we decided to rather try and combine the two. We tried to see how we can improve the ultrafast laser machining to compete with focused ion beam machining. So one of the advantages of being part of the CDT is that we meet up quite frequently, which allows you to then present your work to them, and they have a totally different point of view because their specialism as far as engineering goes is quite different. So like over at Cranfield, they're a lot more into their precision machine design work. At Nottingham, they're looking at the metrology side of it, and then we're using, laser-based processes. So it means that if you're having a problem with your work, is that they can then potentially help you find a solution, or you can actually see where you could implement your work to collaborate with the others at the other research groups to then progress further. So once I've completed my PhD, my plan is to potentially try and do my own startup. There's a lot of soft skills that I've developed throughout my PhD that as far as it's made me a very competent programmer. I'm a lot more self-driven and motivated, and also my time management is significantly improved. And then also it's like the presentations that you have to do regularly. So whether you are going to work for yourself or work for a company, it makes you a far more well-rounded person to employ once you finish the program.